I went camping with friends and used this Redodo 24-volt battery to keep my power station running. I had my fridge plugged in, lights, I charged my phone several times, and this thing kept my power station running for 4 days. You heard me right, 4 days. I had power for my fridge, power for my lights, and power for my phone. So stay tuned and check out this 24-volt battery from Redodo. Hi, I'm Ellen. The company Redodo reached out to me and asked if I'd like to review one of their batteries. Well, little did they know that I already have 4 of their batteries in my RV. I have 4 of their 12-volt, 300 amp hour monster batteries in my RV, and they've been performing beautifully. So when they reached out and asked if I wanted to review one of their batteries and they'd send me one for free, I said, sure. I had my choice of batteries, and I chose the 24-volt, 50 amp hour battery because I want to do a video about how to charge a power station using 12-volt batteries in series and parallel and compare them to a single 24-volt battery. So let's open it up. It's a little rounded, not quite flat. Let's see what we've got. We have documentation. Lots of styrofoam. Nice sticker with the post bolts here, which is right there. This is what it looks like inside. It's wrapped in plastic. Let's slide it out. So here's the label. It's 25.5 volts, which we commonly refer to as 24 volts, 50 amp hours, which translates to 1,280 watt hours. Here's the Rodeo 24 volt, 50 amp hour battery compared to the Dr. Prepare 12 volt, 100 amp hour battery. Let's open up the terminal posts and attach them, and then I'm going to charge this battery to 100% so that we can use it in my next video. They're very simple to take off the little plastic caps. They have a baggie with the posts and washers and little protectors. There are 2 washers on each post already, and they sent some extra washers too. So I'm going to attach one. Just screws in. I'll attach the other. This is the setup I have in my minivan. I have the Redodo 24-volt battery hooked up with this cable. I have O-ring terminals attached, and this is an XT60 end, which goes into the solar charging port of my power station. Then I have some USB cables that I use while camping, including this multi-cable. I have a number of these. Some of them are retractable. This one just happens to not be retractable, but it has Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB. Then I have my fridge plugged in to the cigarette lighter port. And this is my fridge. It's smaller than my last one, but fits perfectly for the space that I need it to. So this is the setup that lasted me for 4 days. This battery has free and fast delivery, a 5-year hassle-free warranty, lifetime customer support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Let's take a look at the app. Here I am charging the power station at 518 watts. And on the second page, you can see that I've used one of the approximately 4,000 life cycles. While I was camping, I completely used up my battery and my power station. But like I said, it ran for 4 days. So now I got to charge it back up again, so I'm ready for next time. I have two of these smart chargers. They are both 12 and 24 volt. Unfortunately, neither of them will charge my battery. They just don't sense it. I don't know why. But I also have this big boy here. Here it is charging up the battery. This is an awesome little battery, but I do recommend that you get their charger. I'll put links to both the battery and the charger and a discount code in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.